Welcome to the Avatar Mountains, where mist meets magic, and every step feels unreal.
Soaring above these peaks feels like flying through another world.
Walking through this valley, the cliffs rise so high they vanish into the sky. This natural stone bridge links two cliffs, nature's own Skywalkway.
There it is, Hallelujah Mountain, the pillar that inspired Avatar's floating peaks.
Some moments are so pure, they stay with you forever.
Crossing the world's longest glass bridge is pure adrenaline.
My heart's racing. This glass skywalk is insane.
This is Golden Whip Stream, quiet forest paths with towering cliffs above us.
Crystal water runs right below the stone giants. Perfect start to the hike.
Down here in the valley, it feels like stepping into a hidden paradise. What an unforgettable journey. The Avatar Mountains are magic.